Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Oh, good doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. Large variety of items. Liberty Tree Collectors. Let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Liberty Tree Collectors. So what we have in here is the M14 Rifle Soldier's Pocket Manual. I believe this is a reprint, but even this reprint is aged as well. You can see here reproduced from PS Magazine, and the pamphlet number. And on the back cover, when you care enough, you get the very best. You can see there kind of a scaled picture of hands and an M14 in its case. You can see here the staples are aged as well, even on this reproduction. But you can see it basically reproduces all the comic book style illustrations and the manual text. So M14 preventative maintenance, the personal soldier's rifle manual. This is a Uzi Sling West German nylon, so very basic sling. Open ends, heat sealed ends so they're not frayed, and the hard plastic type of buckles, and then in length, I'm measuring it right now, it's approximately 46 inches. So Uzi nylon sling. Continuing, let's try this one. You can see they wrap every item, even when they're bagged. Okay, so this is multiple items here. Okay, so this, I'm just ordering small parts to try to finish off projects. This is a US 1903 rifle stock reinforcement bolt. You can see the design there. You can see there the connector and the bolt end. And you can see here the knurling on the bolt itself. If I can get this to focus. There you go. So 1903 stock reinforcement bolt. Just set this there. These two, I believe, are sling keepers. So you can see these are more specialized. These would actually clip into socket type ends, and then your sling would run through this buckle end. So that type of socket system. So two CETME sling buttstock keepers, I think is the actual title. So continuing, let's see what this is. This is wrapped up. This, I believe, is a U.S. Vietnam era rifle pocket. So what this actually is, I'm hesitant to actually remove the original ribbon, but if you've seen these attach to either gear, packs, rucksacks, etc. On the sides, typically, where a rifleman can then attach their rifle to the pack, and then it would actually seat next to it, if that's the definition. So here's where the buttstock would actually sit. This would actually mount to the gear itself, and the strap would also help in part of that as well. Without a diagram, it would be kind of hard to show, and a rifle as well, but you kind of get the idea. This being the actual pocket where the rifle would sit, and this would attach to the pack or gear, and this would swing around and also provide stability for the pocket as well to whatever this is attached to. So that's the keeper right there. That would be, again, the U.S. Vietnam era rifle pocket. All right. Here's an interesting set of items. Bubble wrap right here. These should be 4 US 40 millimeter GMG, so grenade, machine gun, grenade empty cases, and then they have TP as well. So you can see these are linked. I'll just pull out one. Linked 40 millimeter fired casings. You can see the markings, numbers, the serials, as well as the belt mechanism, the link. And you can see how these interlink together, for those familiar with that. I don't want to snap them in because I want to display these, but you get the idea. You can see there where the primer ignition would go into the main powder chamber, as well as the large primer holder area. But again, these are a little bit different than, say, the man portable 40 millimeters. Since this is going through a belt fed system, you have more robust cases, and also to support the links, because these are being forced through at a rapid pace through the platform. But again, 4 of the US 40 millimeter GMG grenade empty cases. All right, let's see what this is. I still need to cut through. Okay, so this should be a 98 Mauser rifle grenade launcher, but I believe this is a reproduction, but it is pretty aged as well. So you can see this would be the spigot end. This would be the end that attaches to the end of a barrel, and then would be clamped down with these wing screws here. See if I get that to loosen. Yeah, so the releases like that, they swing away. This would lock down onto the barrel. Swing that down and then tighten these back down. This appears to be your sighting mechanism to flip up, and your spigot system to control the gas flow from the rear end of the grenade itself, mounted onto here, and to direct the thrust as well. So numerous gas rings, spigot end, sight, attachment mechanism, and the end that goes onto the barrel of a 98 platform Mauser. So last in the wrapping. Take a slight jump back to the modern era. Also, my hands now have this cosmoline and grease, so I'm trying to be careful here. What these are some M16 dual magazine pouch MOLLE in desert camos. So it's the 3-color desert pattern. I don't see any labeling there. Hook and latch in front, there's your labeling there. Specialty Defense Systems, these are pretty new. And you see the style of pouch there. Drainage grommets at the bottom. And again, MOLLE on the back. So just a few of the M16 dual magazine pouch MOLLE in desert camo. And then working our way backwards or to this other direction, we had the 98 Mauser rifle grenade launcher. This had 4 of the US 40mm GMG grenade empty case TP. We also had the US Vietnam era rifle pocket, 2 of the CETME Sling buttstock keepers, an Uzi Sling West German nylon, US 1903 rifle stock reinforcement bolt, and I believe we started off with the US M14 Rifle Soldiers pocket manual. And again, these all came from Liberty Tree Collectors. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items, Liberty Tree Collectors. This has been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, Mauser tools, and expanded topics. We do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.